Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries. Before we start the reading, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. I hope this year brings lot of happiness, success and prosperity in our lives, guys. Aries. So today's reading is going to be different, guys. For your daily reading, we are picking few cards for your relationship. It's going to be like a pick a card and it's going to be an elaborate reading, guys. Don't miss on that reading. That will follow this daily reading. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, you can think about it before choosing the pile. And I hope the reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. So let's start the daily reading, Aries. It's Seven of Spheres in reverse, Fortitude in reverse, and the Burning Tower in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, maybe it may be something in your career or something to do with your personal life. There are people in your life, in your career, they are there simply working against you. They are there to pull you down and they don't want you to progress in your life, and they are working against you. So you are in a very stressful situation, guys. It may be something in your career or personal life, a difficult situation with how this person is trying to control you, dominate you in all ways possible. And you may be quite emotional today, angry, sad and impatient. You just want to break away from this situation, guys. You just want to move forward in life, but this person is trying their level best to pull you down. So that is troubling you, stressing you a lot, and you may have unforeseen things happening to you, guys. So it may be a sudden change. Maybe things would have gone in a positive way, but today all of a sudden things are taking a different shape, spiraling down, something out of control, and you feel that all your investments, maybe the way you invested your time, energy and finances in certain path, that may not you may not get that expected result, that positive result. So you feel that things are getting delayed, suspended, or some kind of setback in your work, and you may be quite depressed and anxious about how things are going today for you, guys. It may be something to do in your career or personal life. Maybe you are depressed because this person all of a sudden has left you and you don't know what to do today. So that is also what I see, guys. And you need to hold yourself, take that deep breath and hold out, wait for the right time. If you do that, you will be able to overcome these stressful situations, guys. So maybe if you are patient, you can weather these troubling times, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Aries, for your daily reading. For your love reading, stay tuned for that pick a card reading that will come up right now, guys. Don't miss on that because it's going to be an elaborate reading, Aries. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is the first pile, this is the second pile, and this is the third pile. So whatever questions you have regarding your connection. You can think about it, meditate for a few seconds in silence. Then we will start with the first card, guys. I'll start with the first card. So as soon as you open your eyes, choose the pile that comes to you first. So I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. So let's start the reading after 2 seconds of silence, guys. Okay guys, so let's start with the first pile. It's Ace of Spheres, the Chariot, Magician in reverse. So for those who have chosen this first deck, in your situation today, guys, maybe in your relationship you would have had some troubles or some quarrels in the past, some kinds of arguments, misunderstandings. So you would have felt really emotional and you would have felt really stressed, impulsive to go and do something, and you would have reacted a lot. But with these cards, I see that you are trying to understand your situation, understand your needs and your what is there in your heart, and you are able to find that balance in your situation. So you are trying to balance your emotions, balance the way you behave with this person, trying to bring that harmony in this connection, guys. And you would have had some different view about this person, some kind of illusion about them. That was the reason for these troubles in your situation, guys. So you were thinking of them as something different, but when they reveal that true picture to you, you did not find it appealing maybe, and that may be the reason for the stress. But I see that things are beginning to fall into place in this connection for you guys. So all that troubles that you are facing, you are trying to find that understanding, understand your emotions and understand your true wishes that are there in your heart, and you are moving forward in this emotional journey, and you are progressing towards that happiness and contentment in this connection, guys. So you are moving towards that lucky part of your connection. All that negative impact that you had till now is going to simply disappear, and you're moving towards a very good phase in this connection, guys. So a better understanding and love with this person. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this first deck. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If it resonates, please like and comment. So let's start with the second card, guys. Second cards that we have chosen. For those who have chosen the second deck, it's Page of Air, Magician, and Six of Fire. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, you have that deep commitment towards this person. You are responsible for this connection, and you are trying to make things work beautifully in this connection, putting your skills and talents. And maybe with this person you are trying to build that understanding and love, a deeper meaningful connection. So you are being really curious today to find out about this person, find out whether this person is the person for you, and you are trying to understand the things that you don't know about them, interesting things that you don't know about them, and you are exploring this connection, how this person is, and how you can what is that common thing between you both to build that understanding. So you are making lot of efforts for this connection and you love this person. That is what I see, guys. And this relationship is transforming into something really beautiful. You are building that trust with this person, confidence with this person. This person really feels confident about you and they love you, and they feel that you are a very knowledgeable, intelligent person who influences them in a very good way. And I also see that with this person you have that inspiration, you feel that inspiration to be with them. So some kind of intuition guiding you towards this person, guys. That is what I see. Maybe for those who have chosen this deck, I see that you are in a new relationship and you are trying to build that understanding and love with this person. That is what I see with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. So let's start with the third card. For those who have chosen this deck, I will turn the cards. It's 9 of Pentacles, 10 of Swords, and Page of Pentacles in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, for those who have chosen this deck, I see that you are having some troubles in your situation, something worrying you, stressing you a lot. You may feel quite lonely and troubled because of that, and maybe things are going in a very uncontrollable way in your connection, maybe because of some arguments or because of some stressful things that has happened, and you feel that you have too many responsibilities and this person is not responsible like you, and you would have felt a great attraction and love towards them, and they did not reciprocate it for some of you. So you may feel a satisfaction because all that imagination that you are having about them, all that is coming to an end, and you see things with clarity today. Maybe I see with these cards, guys, for some of you, things may quickly come to an end between you and this person. They may move out all of a sudden. They may move out of this connection, move out of your life all of a sudden, and things are going downhill in this connection. But I also see that you are getting that understanding that this connection may not work, and it is for the better that you are not taking those efforts to mend things in this connection, guys. Maybe it may not be worth it for some of you, and for some of you I see that you are simply tired and you feel that your life is ruined and too much to bear for you, too much pain to bear to get back with this person, guys. And I also see that you may be to get over the stress, you may turn yourself to shopping, some kind of shopping you may be doing to get over the stress of the separation. And I see things are going, maybe it is inevitable in this connection, guys, that you are finding it difficult to repair the negative things in this connection. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this deck. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.